Welcome! Today I'm showing you how to hide photos in your gallery in your Xiaomi Poco X4 Pro. Firstly, open your gallery and press and hold to select your photos. Then on the bottom we got Add to Album button. Tap it and from the list choose Private Album. To view the items you made to be private, swipe down in Albums. So tap OK. And now need login into your Xiaomi Cloud. Tap Next, choose your albums to sync in, and now need log in into your Xiaomi Cloud. So I am login with my Google account. Tap it on the bottom. Wait a second for logging. And now need set up your privacy password for the folder, maybe this one. And let's try again, draw this pattern and tap Next. Add me account to be able, not now. And tap OK. Next, sorry. Okay, go back. Use this folder below. Okay, so we got our photos, so let's try again. Press and hold to select, then click to add to album and choose private album and click OK. Got it. How you can see, you don't get this photo in photos, so go into album, press and hold and drag to top, and when you see this release to open preview private folder, privacy protection password, tap OK, and now click back, sorry, and now need to enter your privacy password. And here we got our photos. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.